Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I'm having to re-record this video because my microphone wasn't on when I originally cooked this, but this is a Spanish frittata, and what I've done is I've just chopped up a red capsicum or bell pepper and 2 chorizo, slice them up. If you're chorizo, you can't slice them if they're too fresh. You could just crumble them into, kind of chunks, bite-sized chunks. Then we just brown the chorizo and soften the capsicum just in a pan on a medium-high heat with a bit of oil for 5 to 10 minutes. Just you really want the capsicum to be soft and the chorizo to be nice and brown and cooked through, so you get those lovely flavors. Then just 4 eggs that I've whisked together and just pour that over the top of the mixture. Then pop it in the oven, so 200°C for it cooks quite quickly because the pan's already hot, so 6 to 8 minutes. I think it was 6 minutes for this. And I've made a spiced paprika oil to go with it, so it's just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil mixed with a teaspoon of smoked paprika and a little bit of salt. And you could, if you wanted to add some chili to that, you could, or you could use hot paprika, it's up to you. And then I'm just going to serve with salad greens and some nice roasted almonds, and we're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.